engines, 1,200 horsepower each. Total weight of the bomber probably sitting there today is probably 31,000 pounds, something like that. Its all up weight during the war was 54,000. Tail comes up real early when you're flying. You just wait for it to hit about 100. You give it a little help, back pressure on the stick, it flies off. Cases in England, there's a long, convoluted story about how they kept them separated. We're not going to go into that, but these bombers would find their way home full of holes, and maintainers would put them back together. B-17 was the initial workhorse in Europe, and then the B-24 came later. The C-47 dropped paratroopers and B-8 liners on 5. Odds making 25 emissions were less than 50.
That's the thing about that. 19 years old, we have less than 50%. The greatest generation, as we've talked about America's transformation from a sleeping giant to a nation at war. We trained for war, now we're at war, and you see the beautiful That's All Brother touching down with the rough airfields, and they use moss and brooms, and it will have to look dirt strong. They look like to use this.
Not even close. But the purpose of those were instant identification of whether you were a friend or a foe. From your right, ladies and gentlemen, down low, fast, watch for the bomb bay door to open, the Yankee Lady.
Get your cameras ready, you're going to want to capture this one.
Simple when you go down to the Warbird ramp and look. Notice the Devil Dog.
This is Yankee Lady. As I said earlier, it was a whole of nation effort from the Victory Gardens at home to the conservation of supplies and resources to all be focused on what was needed to win the war. And you see rolling out here, beautiful Yankee Lady, and a great depiction of the victorious Allied effort in World War II.
Now, for you pilots out in the crowd, you will notice that the B-17 made a real slant